The agenda for today's class is creating a Java project and class in Eclipse. Okay, how you can create a Java project. Uh, After creating a project, we have to create a package. After creating the package, you have to create a class. Okay, we'll see how it is done. Okay, okay, I will minimize this one. I am using this Eclipse. At present, this is the latest one, Oxygen. Okay, you can use the latest Eclipse. Okay, download Eclipse and you can use that one. Okay, uh, but it is better to use the latest version. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay, it is June 2017 it is saying. Okay, right. Okay, this is the workplace where actually my script is being stored. Okay, if you want to, this is actually the default location. Okay, if you want to change the location, you can click on browse and you can change the location. Okay, but at present I don't want to change the location, so I am closing it. Okay, click on launch. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, before installing Eclipse, first you have to install Java to the into the systems. Okay, first you have to install Java, then you have to install Eclipse because I will say what is the need of Java here. When I'm creating a project in Eclipse, okay, Java files, Java jars will be by default added. Okay, if you don't have Java, it will throw some message. Okay, this is the screen. This is the welcome screen. Okay, because I am opening this Eclipse, this new Eclipse for the first time, so it is showing this message. This welcome screen. You close this welcome screen here. Close it. Okay. Then okay, maximize it. You are getting different areas here, frames. Okay. The most important is the project explorer. Okay, this is the test pane where actually you are going to write your script. Okay, this is for outline and for other things. Okay, close this one better. At present, you don't require this one. Okay, close all these things, all the other tabs over here. Okay, as a test engineer, we don't require it. Okay, developers may require it because this is an editor which can be used by the developer as well as this tester. So I'm closing all these things. Okay, but apart from the test pane and project explorer, we require a console where actual outputs will be displayed. Okay, then here by default it is not available. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to go to the Windows show view, here console. Okay, the shortcut is also there. If you want to use the shortcuts, you can use it, but this is the better way. Okay, okay, I got the console. Here, these are the basic three screens that should be we have to kept that should be available. Okay, all other screens are optional for us. Okay, we don't require that one. As a developer, developers may require it, but as a tester, we don't require it. Okay, and you might be seeing there are different options over here. Okay, we, as the course commences, okay, we'll go through each and every option. Okay, at present actually my agenda for this video is only to create a project, create a package, create a simple, okay, one Java class. Okay, and here this is the view, current view. This is Java EE view, enterprise edition view. Okay, this is the default view. You want to change the view in future, you can change by clicking here. Okay, there are different views over here. Okay, you can see Java EU, which is the default view. Because I have select while means installing, I have selected this view. That's why it is saying it as a default view. We close this one. At present, we don't require it. Okay, if you want to, because 1 second. Okay, now I want to change the font size over here, because by default it will be very um, the size will be very less. Okay, I want to change it. 1 second. General, we have to go to general. In preferences, general. Okay, color and font, and go here. 1 second. Basic. In that basic, go to text font. Okay, preferences, general, color and font. In this we went to basics, text and font. Okay, it is showing some size. Okay, 10. I wanted to change it to 14 so that it can be visible to you. Okay, I will change it to 14. Okay, it is somewhat visible. Okay, apply. Okay, apply and close. Okay, now the first thing is that first I wanted to create a project here. It is empty. Okay, if you want to create a project, there are different steps. Okay, directly you can click on here. Otherwise, you right click on project explorer, right click, new, go to project. Okay, click on project. Okay, here it is available Java project. Otherwise, if you didn't get that one, or if you are having any doubt whether it is really a Java project or not, so you can go here. Here it is Java file is there, folder is there, sorry. You can go for Java project over here. Both are same. Okay, next. Here we have to give the project name. I am giving here the sample project, or my first project, FIRST, first project. Okay, spaces are allowed here. Okay, you can use spaces. Check whether numbers are allowed or not. Okay, numbers are also allowed, because project name may contain some numbers. Okay, this is the location where actually this project is being stored. This is the default location. Starting I have shown you, and this is the project what I have created it. Okay, first project. Um, no, you don't means you don't do anything here. Okay, leave this one as it is. Click on finish. See, it is saying that something is setting build path, and something it is saying that. Okay, and this is very important over here. Okay, uh, this kind of project is associated with the Java perspective. This perspective is designed to support Java development. It offers a package explorer, uh, a type hierarchy, and a Java specific navigation actions. Okay, do you want to open this perspective? No. Okay, so this is actually the it is saying that if you want to change the perspective, you can change the perspective. If you click on here, it will open this only. This is actually, it is asking whether you wanted to change the perspective. Perspective nothing but the view, if you want to change the view or not. Okay, actually means I want the Java EE view, enterprise edition view. I don't want to change the view, so I am clicking on no. Okay, you have to click on no. Okay, if you want to change the perspective or change the view, then you have to click on open perspective. But we don't want to change any perspective. We don't want to change any view. Okay, I want the default view, so I am clicking on OK. You can see here the project is been created. if I am clicking on this one, okay, you are seeing two folders over here. Where this is actually the Java library files. Okay, these are the jar files. If you are getting this, means this library means Java is been installed in your system. Okay, if you are not getting this one, means Java is not there in your system. Okay, anyhow, it will throw an error. Okay, so what is this? This is a very important folder, or this is an empty folder which where actually you have to write your scripts. Okay, this is the okay, this is the source folder where actually you have to write your scripts. Okay, this is the Java jars. Okay, which will support your scripts. Okay, and here we should not, means we can't do anything over here. Okay, here we have actually we have to make our classes, we have to make our what you call packages and all. Okay, here the symbol shows that this is a folder which contains some package. Okay, so the next step after creating a project is to create a package. Package is nothing but a modules. Okay, if you want to make your work in an organized way, you have to create modules. Okay, so what I wanted to do is, okay, if I am not creating a module and directly if I am going for a class, then by default, the default module will be selected and the default module class will be created. Okay, I don't want to create any default module, so I want to create my own module. So I wanted to create a package over here. So right click on the src folder, new, check for the package. Okay, here it is, package. Click on this, give the package name. um, I will give some mod1. Okay, uh, see here if I am mod1, if I am giving any capital letter, it is giving the warning. Okay, because there are some naming conventions that the Java developers have followed. We will follow those naming conventions only. For module, small letters should be used. Mod1. Okay, this is the location where exactly the this module is being created. It is in this project in src folder, inside the src folder, which is a source folder. Click on finish. Okay, module is been created. In this module, now I will create a class. Which class? Java class. Right click on the module, new class. Okay, uh, while giving the class name, make sure that first letter of every word should be a capital letter. Suppose I am writing as first class. So first is one word, class is one word. Then F should be a capital and C should be a capital. So first class. This is a class name, and spaces are not allowed over here. Okay, you should not give any spaces. If you want to give any number, you can give. Okay. Okay, later we will discuss about all those things, the modifiers, access modifiers and all. Okay, in Java class, if you wanted to execute any statements, okay, or if you are writing any statements, only the statements which are in the main function will be executed. Okay, you have to make sure that there should be at least there should be a main function in your class if you want to execute that class. Okay, you want to run that class. Okay, and the statements which are in the main function only will be executed. So suppose that I wanted to write a simple Java program, so I want a main function, okay, here or here. So I'm directly putting tick over here. If you don't want a main function, you take this one, okay. But I don't want to write all the public, static, void, main, and all those things, okay. So I am making Eclipse to write on its own, okay. So I am making tick, okay. Without the main function also you can create a class, okay. It is not compulsory that every class should have a main function, okay. Later in later stages you can see how you can call those classes and the functions inside those classes. But at present I am I am means I want to demonstrate to you how to create a class, okay. So uh, I want the main function, okay, because I wanted to write a simple print statement in that main function, and I want to execute that main function. So, okay, I am clicking, I am means, clicking on this checkbox. So, finish, click on finish. It is taking some time, okay. Actually, it has to come little bit early. Okay, I got it. Okay, so here the package name I am getting this is the actual this class name, the package name. Here is this is class open brackets, and here is the closing brackets. Okay, if you click on this, okay, you can know where the closing brackets are there. Okay, and this is the main function. Okay, and this is the auto generated method. Okay, if you want to give any comments, you can give for double forward slash. Okay, so here I am taking this out. I am writing, I wanted to display one thing, hello world, okay, hello world program, it is a hello world, or I wanted to display my name, okay. So to where actually the output will be displayed means in the console, okay. At present I wanted to display my name inside a console. So displaying anything inside a console, we have to write system.out.println. The short form is SYSO, and control space. Okay, I want to display my name. Okay, now to run this one, save it, control S. Okay, to run it, control F11, use control F11, or simply you can click on this, or go to run, control, here it is a control F11. Okay, I will click on this. Okay, Krishna Mohan. Okay, it has been printed. This is a simple statement. Okay, system.out.println. Okay, later stages I will explain this statement also why it is system.out.println. Okay, what is the short form for this system.out.println? Uh, this is for printing a string in console. So, okay, and what is the short form for this? SYSO plus SYSO, and what you have to do, control plus controls plus space. Okay, and not only SYSO, we can use S out also, SOUT out, control space. Control C. Oh, okay, we'll check whether it is working or not. Okay, yes, so SOUT out, control space. Okay, it is also working. Okay, I will be writing Satya. Okay. Anything I wanted to print. Okay, enter. See here, I have not saved it. Okay, that's why it is showing its star over here. Okay, after control S, after saving it, the star is gone. Means I have saved it. It is a reminder that it has not been saved. Okay, okay. Now I am running it. Okay, two names have been printed. Okay, in the same way, means there is another statement called print. Okay, system.out.print. If you are not keeping a print, only if you are using a print over here, means after printing this string, which whatever we have written in the double quotes, the cursor will be here only. Okay, the cursor will remain here, and the next statement will be executed. Okay, and Satya will be printed over here. Okay, the main difference is that if I am writing a system.out.println, the the string will be printed and the cursor goes to the next line. But if I am giving only print, the cursor will remain here, and the next statement will be printed here only. Okay, we'll try it once. Okay, I will give some space over here so that I wanted to see the difference. Okay, show you the difference. Okay, here the space means Krishna Mohan space Satya will be printed. Okay, control S, save, run it. See here. So this is the basic difference between system.out.print and system.out.println. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, this class we have uh, what you have learned is how to create a project, how to create a means how to create a Java project, how to create a module or the a package, and then how to create a class. Okay, and the simple how to print any string value inside a console. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.